Hello and welcome to the in-depth unboxing of the Siemens Indoor Air Quality Multi-Sensor. Now, in the introduction unboxing, we had a quick look at what comes within the box with every indoor air quality multi-sensor, and we looked at the multi-sensor itself. In this video, we'd like to dive into a little bit more detail of all the components that come in the three boxes: your surface mount, your in-wall mount, as well as the indoor air quality sensor itself. So as you can see, we've already taken everything out of the boxes for you. So I'll get rid of these and we'll start to look in a little bit more detail about what we have within each of these packages. So with the sensor itself, you also have a power cable, a USB-C power cable to enable you to power up the device. If we look at the in-wall mounting, you see here mounting plates, as well as all the screws and the masonry anchors and everything you need to install this on the wall in the space where you are bringing this sensor to work. You'll see you have many options when it comes to how you terminate and how you install this, leveraging those screws and anchors. And you also have within this box a terminal. So this terminal box has two different versions. There is the BACnet IP version, where you see just the IP plug here at the back that enables you to power over IP as well as integrate into the BACnet IP network. And the other version is the same one you'll see within the LoRaWAN and also the BACnet MSTP. So here you also have the IP port, but that's just for power over IP. You also see some terminals here where you can terminate your MSTP network and daisy chain this through the network itself. And then this is also the same terminal box that you'll see within the LoRaWAN versions. If we go across to the surface mount box, you'll see here a couple of different backing plates. All of them come with these adhesive pads, so for a very fast and easy installation you can leverage these adhesive strips so that the sensor is installed in next to no time. The pads themselves connect to the back of the sensor, and the only real option or difference you'll see here is that with the LoRaWAN version you also will receive an antenna which screws onto the top. So this is everything that you'll see within the three boxes of the Siemens Indoor Air Quality Sensor. Remember, this is an exciting sensor that brings you 7 different variables from within your room space: temperature, CO2, humidity, VOC, and fine dust, as well as the ambient noise and ambient light sensors included. Please look out for the other videos where we'll do a little bit more detailed information on how you commission and integrate this device into your system. Until then, thank you very much.